Try again. All right. What you'll notice here is this box that goes around. And what's really good about this box is that it gives you step-by-step information. It'll always give you, like it says, perimeter right here across the top. It'll always give you any kind of vocabulary that you need, explain what it is. A lot of times there's a lot of clues. In this case is the distance. The main word here is around a shape. So it's not the inside, that's area. Perimeter is the distance around it, regardless of what the shape. When you get to things that are circular, it's called circumference, okay? So when I look here and it says find the perimeter of the shape, step 1, choose a unit to begin counting. What that means is choose a spot, and it shows you down here. You'll see it says 1 unit. So they're showing you that space from one point to the next. That is the unit, not the square, because we're not finding the area. It's just, think of it as the fence around a yard. So if you start here with 1, each one of those, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm hopping as though I'm on a number line, but I'm not counting the lines. I'm looking at the spaces. So maybe with my cursor, I should really go 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what I mean? 5. And then I have to move around the corner here. This one would be 6, 7, just like in step 2 where it's going all the way around. So they're not counting corners of the lines, okay? They are counting the spaces in between, okay? And we can't write the number on the line because we're talking about that 1 unit in between there. So that's why if you start here, make sure you go all the way around. And I suggest put your finger on the screen. I'm literally putting my finger on the screen right now. Or draw it out on a piece of paper and do it. That way you know you haven't missed anything. So that's why it's 16 units, not square units, because that is giving you a second to answer. Area, square units. Look back at the screen. I've got this highlighted now. Each one of these squares in there is going to be the area, and we're not finding area. Now I'm going to go ahead and give you a little hint. There's going to be some combo coming up this week where you're finding perimeter and area, and this is all review. This goes back in your math notebook. You have the information for area and perimeter, and how sometimes 2 shapes can have the same area and maybe the same perimeter, and sometimes they can have the same area but different perimeters, or same perimeters, same distance around, but have different areas on the inside. Does that make a difference? If it comes to the size of your bedroom, maybe it does. But anyway, I will post all the answers to the questions each day. I'm just going to do it in a comment section, or maybe I'll work it online and then I'll take a snapshot of it and put that picture in so you can see it right on there. Either way, I will post the answers for the previous day's lesson. Like yesterday was lesson 92 on the sheet. So I'll post the answers to those to this morning, along with, I'll post it on Class Dojo as well. Class Dojo and Google Classroom. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks. Bye.